Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and this one is on air fried barbecue chicken. For this recipe, I'm going to use some organic chicken wings that were already cut up. I'm going to go ahead and wash them, and then I'm going to put some plant-based milk. Now I'm going to add a little bit of less sodium soy sauce. I'm going to add some chili powder. Some garlic powder. Some Creole seasoning. Some Italian seasoning, and I can't forget the onion powder. So I'm going to mix this up a little bit just so it gets on everything. Now I'm going to get some flour and some cornmeal, some yellow cornmeal, and I'm going to put it in a plastic Ziploc bag. I used about 3 parts flour and about a part cornmeal. I'm going to add a little bit of Cajun seasoning to the bag. Mix it up a little bit, and then I'm going to dump the chicken in there. Mix it. Now I'm going to put it in my air fryer. I'm going to put the chicken on the rack, and I'm going to add some olive oil on both sides. And I'm going to set the oven to 390. For 10 minutes on air fry. And now I'm going to flip them over, and I'm going to put it on for another 10 minutes. So now they are cooked, and I'm going to put them into a container. And I'm going to add some barbecue sauce to the chicken. Mix it up a little bit. And I'm going to throw this back in the air fryer for another 5 minutes until it's a little bit of brown on the top. And there you have it, air fried barbecue chicken. It's pretty easy to make. And that's it. Try it out and let me know how it turns out. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.